The BKK Futal app has been updated and is now called BudapestGO. You can also buy a digital single ticket with your smartphone. Register on the BudapestGO app to use a ticket or pass. After logging in, go to My Tickets and select the single ticket. Before payment, enter your billing details and select the Save Bank Card option so that your next purchase is just a few clicks away. You need to validate your single ticket at the start of your journey by scanning the QR code displayed at the metro entrance or by the vehicle door. You will then see on your phone a colourful moving image. You need to show this to the ticket inspectors when you enter the metro, or to the driver when you have to get on at the front door of the bus. To access your tickets and scan them quickly, you can use the widget from the BudapestGO app on the home screen of your phone, quickly and easily with just one click. Plan your trip, get to your destination easily. Travel with BudapestGO. Download or update the BudapestGO app.